Central Station 5, Station 1, Station 6, EMS Station 13. Respond to Highway 100, just past Old Holland Road. Reference to a one vehicle accident. Have one entrapment, one possible fatality with ejection. Highway 100, just past Old Holland Road. Central clear. Attack channel 16 upon arrival.
Hey, Hoff, we can pick up on that.
22 is around. You will check and put lock force on standby.
Central Station 9, respond to a one vehicle accident. Highway 100 in the area of Old Holland Road. Highway 100, Old Holland Road. Station 5 is requesting assistance. One vehicle accident with entrapment. Also one possible fatality, ejection. Do have life force en route this time.
Engine 9's clear, responding, Central. Truck 1's en route as well, Central.
Been trapped, advising the seatbelt, cutting off her air. The subject I have on the phone cannot reach her to get to the seatbelt.
Copy that.
It's responding. Do have the male subject, possible DOA, has been fully ejected. Female is inside the vehicle trapped. Extreme difficulty breathing due to the seatbelt. Bystanders can't reach her to get the seatbelt undone.
Central, we'll get you a fire department set up LZ somewhere back towards Holland. Holland.
Clear. Life force is 5 to 7 out. 5 to 7 out. They may be tied up with extrication. Engine 9 in, Station 1's on the scene. Go ahead and set up LZ command. They're 5 to 7 out.
Forestry 2, engine 6A. Need me to block off this end?